Okay,
This
well,
is my old phone.
all right, well, is it rolling?
So, bam, go ahead and see what you can do. Just think of them and
All right.
might as well film you and just look at the camera and try to get into it maybe and do it here.
Yeah.
See if you can do both.
Welcome to ROCKOS TV.
All right, I'm gonna keep it going.
Today on ROCKOS.
That was my bad. Take a breath. There you go. And then give. I'll make it. So, all right, one more time that one.
Coming soon on ROCKOS TV.
There you go. You got a little bass. Yeah, okay, here we go.
Thank you for tuning in to ROCKOS TV.
Let's watch. New show, Paint and Restore.
Welcome to ROCKOS TV. This is our new show, Paint and Restore.
Welcome to ROCKOS TV.
Welcome to ROCKOS TV.
Today on ROCKOS TV.
Today on ROCKOS TV.
Coming soon on ROCKOS TV.
Coming soon on ROCKOS TV.
Meet the crew at ROCKOS.
Meet the crew at ROCKOS.
Inside the paint booth.
Inside the paint booth.
On another episode of Paint and Restore.
We got to have like a long motivational speech where I'm just walking through the shop and I'm strutting.
Here, hold up. Today on Paint and Restore.
Today on Paint and Restore.
One more.
Today on Paint and Restore.
One more. Say it all one sentence. Today on Paint and Restore.
Today on Paint and Restore.
Okay. So let's start that music.
Let's start that music.
Okay. Okay. So is there anything else, like you have quotes or anything? Any tip? Any
Rock on!
Wait, let me start talking. Okay. Go ahead. We always need like a breath and then go.
Breath and then go.
Okay,
Let him
there
not.
you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's that's hard. Here.
Oh, God. Rock on.
See what I'm saying though? You gotta
Yeah.
have that quiet, just
Yeah.
so it gives me a second to.
Well,
edit
it's
stuff.
better not to talk over people anyhow.
Well, yeah, it's hard. Here you go. Can I help you?
We like body shop, like body work for painting cars.
I'm independent. No one tells me what to do. That's that. Simple as that.
Why are you the best painter in town? What makes ROCKOS the best?
Because I wasn't going to be a failure. So anyone that came against me, I kicked their ass.
Louder. Yeah.
Louder.
What makes you stand out from all the other business owners, the body shop owners?
I'll stand behind everything and everything. And I'll go above and beyond what normal body shops don't do, especially electronics and mechanics with Evo cars, aluminum vehicles, what else? Hot rods, the old classic cars, and most shops, they don't work on them. I can't say all, but most don't. So we're special.
We're special. Say we're special, but say it louder.
We're special.
No, do it a little more
No,
genuine,
more
like
like a man.
at
We're
the end
special.
maybe say something else right before it, and then look, and I can cut it in.
And we're special.
No, that's gay. Like we're special.
That was a little zesty.
That was a little zesty.
That was a little zesty.
Don't act. Just
We're
say
special.
We're
So
We're
we're
special.
special. Like, okay, we're special. I mean, we're specialty. We do things that others don't or won't.
You
When
just
I
did
do
it.
that means you need to just amplify your voice a little bit and talk. Open up your mouth a little when you talk so he can hear the words.
Give me some fucking
Hey,
water.
remember, he's got a mic on.
Oh yeah, that's right.
He's got a mic on,
Jesus
so he
Christ.
he's gonna be heard more than we think. And yeah, that's good. You did good, bud. So like honestly, this is some stuff we can put on there raw like this. I like that, and it's actually just showing your real character, and you can use it in an edited.
It was a
well.
good start.
Yeah, and it takes a second
You
to,
got the
to do
job
something.
done.
Yeah. So there's the hurricane. Now it's just like, hey, fuck it, I'll do it myself. Have you ever had to say that
Yeah.
to anyone here?
Oh yeah. Oh fuck it. I'll do it myself.
Well,
You know.
that's one of the.
Fuck
I'm
it,
tired
I'll
of
fix
you
it
guys
myself.
fucking.
No, fuck it, I'll fix it. There you go.
Fuck it. I'll fix it myself. You guys, I'll sit here and fuck it up again, and then re-fuck it up and fuck it up again, and then I fix your fuck up. So fuck you. I'll fix it. I'll fucking do it.
Okay, do some without cursing.
That was great. I can beat it. So that's not going to be an actual commercial anyways. But so like,
He can use I'll beep, do it.
What about that day that the customer said it was like it never happened? Did you want to use that saying?
Oh yeah, like it never happened. One-stop shop.
Yeah. I think you should use that. But there's that other company, ServPro, but your guy said that, so it's.
How about we're your one-stop shop?
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, we're your one-stop shop.
Text that you
Thank you so much for subscribing to us. Please like our page and subscribe and share with your friends. They might like us as well. Thank you very much once again. It's Rocco's Body Shop. Rock on!
were localized.
No, come on. You made me go through it already, and I made it.
You did good. You did good.
We hit all.
Hell yeah.